Hi friends, let me show you the new LED Highbay light that I just got. Okay, these lights are great because they are really strong, and they are LED, as you can see, and they are portable, so you can hang it from where you need it. These lights are aimed for warehouses or playrooms or garage or tool rooms. Okay, you just hang them from this and plug them in and turn them on. Okay, and they will give a high lighting source. Okay, we are going to try it. This lamp also has this security cable. You can fix it to, well, with a screw in a place where if for any reason the lamp falls down, this will protect you and protect others hanging the lamp with no risk for people under it, okay? Underneath it, okay? So, well, let's try it. As you can see, we just installed the lamp with a strong hook over there, and we are going to plug it in here. All right. You can see how strong the lighting is. It lights all our playroom. Really strong light. Okay, that's off. And let me show you how it will bright when you turn it on. All right. Okay. So you can imagine how to use this in a warehouse. This is, as I told you, our playroom, and you can use it temporary anywhere you want. A warehouse, a tool room, your storage place, and you don't need any kind of installation, just a hook to hang it, somewhere to plug it in, and that's it. Perfect. Thank you.